Hello students, in this video we are going to start third chapter, applications of linear systems. In this chapter, first topic is linear independence. Linear independence. Linear independence. Definition: a set of vectors u1 bar, comma, u2 bar and so on up to uk bar in Rn is said to be linearly independent, is said to be linearly independent if the vector equation x1 into u1 bar plus x2 into u2 bar plus and so on plus xk into uk bar is equal to 0 bar. Okay. Has only trivial solution. Okay. The set u1 bar, comma u2 bar and so on up to uk bar is said to be linearly dependent is said to be linearly dependent if there exists weight or scalars alpha 1 comma alpha 2 and so on up to alpha k, not all zero such that alpha 1 u1 bar plus alpha 2 u2 bar plus and so on up to alpha k uk bar is equal to 0 bar. Okay. So solve this equation. Start. The equation is called linear dependence relation. Among u1 bar, comma u2 bar and so on up to uk bar. When the weights are not all zero. Okay. See here, what is linear independence? A set of vectors u1 bar, u2 bar and so on up to uk bar in Rn is said to be linearly independent if the vector equation x1 into u1 bar plus x2 into u2 bar plus and so on up to sk into uk bar is equals to 0 bar has only trivial solution. Means all x1, x2 and so on up to xk are 0, then set u1 bar, u2 bar and uk bar is linearly independent. Okay, and this set is linearly dependent if there exist weights or scalars, both are same, alpha 1 and alpha 2, alpha k, not all 0, such that alpha 1 u1 bar plus alpha 2 u2 bar plus and so on alpha k uk bar is equal to 0 bar. Okay, and this equation star is called linear dependence relation among u1 bar, u2 bar and so on up to uk bar. Okay, let us take some notes on linearly independent and linearly dependent vectors. Note. First note is a set of vectors is linearly dependent. A set of vectors is linearly dependent if and only it is not linearly independent. If and only if it is not linearly, if and only if it is not linearly independent. Okay, obviously a set of vector is linearly dependent when it is not linearly independent. Okay. Second remark, the vectors u1 bar, comma u2 bar and so on up to uk bar are linearly dependent, when the set u1 bar, u2 bar and so on up to uk bar is linearly dependent. For example, the set E1 bar, comma E2 bar, where E1 bar is equal to matrix 1 0 and E2 bar is equal to matrix 0 1. Okay, is linearly dependent. Okay, why this set of vector is linearly dependent? Because if you consider a linear combination of E1 bar and E2 bar, x1 E1 bar plus x2 E2 bar, for their linear combination of E1 bar and E2 bar we require two scalars, x1 and x2 bar. Okay, here x1 into what is our E1 bar is matrix 1 0 plus x2 into E2 bar is 0 1, which is equal to 0 0. That implies from this we get augmented matrix, from this system we get matrix 1 0 0 1 into x1 comma x2, which is equal to 0 0, and this system implies Obviously, here x1 is equals to 0 and x2 is equals to 0. Sorry. Is equals to 0, 0. Okay. When this is possible? This is possible only if x1 and x2 is equals to 0. So this system, hence the vector equation, suppose call this equation star has only trivial solution. So must be linearly independent. Okay. This is the example of linearly independent set. If you now take one example of linearly dependent set. The set u1 bar, u2 bar, where u1 bar, u2 bar, here take u1 bar is equals to matrix 1 minus 1 and u2 bar is equals to matrix 2 minus 2 is linearly dependent. Why this is? Because or since x1 into u1 bar plus x2 into u2 bar is equals to 0 bar, and this gives your augmented matrix. Here you have to put x1 into u1 bar is 1 minus 1 plus x2 bar is x2 into u2 bar is 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0 bar. Okay. From this system we get augmented matrix gives the augmented matrix 1 2 minus 1 minus 2 0. Okay. And row reducing this matrix we get 1 to 0 minus 1 minus 2 0 is equivalent to 1 to 0 0 0 0. Okay. Here you have to perform row operation R2 plus R1. Then you will get this matrix. Okay. What does this matrix imply? That implies for second column have no leading one or no leading entry. So here x2 is a free variable. That implies x2 is free variable. Means x2 takes infinitely many values. R1 implies x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x1 is equal to minus 2x2. So that if you choose x2 is equal to 1, if you choose x2 is equal to 1, then you will get x1 is equal to minus 2. Okay. Is one of the non-trivial solution. That is, value of x2 and x1 is not equal to 0. Therefore, equation this star, say here star 1. Therefore, equation star 1 has non-trivial solution. Therefore, the set u1 bar, u2 bar is linearly dependent. Is linearly dependent. Is linearly dependent. Okay. Let us take next definition. Linear independence of matrix column. Linear independence of matrix column. Linear independence of matrix column. Okay. Suppose we have matrix. Suppose we have matrix of m by n size. Say, suppose we have a matrix of m by n size. Say A is equal to u1 bar and so on up to un bar, because number of columns are n. The matrix equation, then the matrix equation A into x bar is equal to 0 bar can be written as x1 into u1 bar plus x2 into u2 bar plus and so on xn into un bar is equal to 0 bar. Okay. See, A into x bar is a linear combination of the column vector of A with scalars x1, x2 and so on xn in x bar as well. Okay. X bar is equal to 0. Sorry, A into x bar, it is a linear combination of columns of the matrix A. Okay. From this we will get an important result. That result is the column vector of a matrix A, the column vector of a matrix A are linearly independent if and only if the equation A into x bar is equals to 0 bar has trivial solution. Okay. For example, the column of the matrix A is equals to 0, 2, -1, 0 are linearly independent. Because or since A into x bar is equals to 0 bar has only trivial solution. Why A into x bar is equals to 0 bar has trivial solution? Suppose 0, 2 minus 1 into 0 into x1, x2 which is equals to 0, 0. Okay. Write down its augmented matrix, that will be 0, 2, -1, 0, 0, 0 which is equivalent to -1, 0, 0. Interchange row, first row and second row. 0, 2, 0. Okay. R2 implies 2 into x2 is equals to 0. That implies x2 is equals to 0. And R1 implies minus x1 is equals to 0. That implies x1 is equals to 0. So A into x bar is equals to 0 bar has only trivial solution. That's why the columns of the matrix 0 into 2, 0, 2, -1, 0 has therefore columns of the matrix A are linearly independent. Okay. Write down some notes. First note is the set containing only one vector, the set containing only one vector, say u bar, is linearly independent. If u bar is not equal to 0 bar. Why this is? Since x1 into u bar is equal to 0 bar has only trivial solution. Because u bar is not equal to 0, so obviously x1 is equal to 0. Trivial solution. Thus, we can say that a single non-zero vector always linearly independent. A single non-zero vector is always linearly independent. Next, note the zero vector is linearly dependent. The zero vector is linearly dependent because x1 into 0 bar is equals to 0 bar has many non-trivial solutions. Has many non-trivial solutions. Has many non-trivial solutions. Third remark, two vectors u1 bar and u2 bar are linearly dependent if and only if at least one of the vectors is scalar multiple of order. Scalar multiple of order. Let us take fourth note. An index space S is equals to u1 bar comma u2 bar and so on up to uk bar k is greater than or equal to 2 is linearly dependent if and only if at least one of the vectors in S is a linear combination of the orders. Okay, means if you have a set u1 bar, u2 bar and so on up to uk bar, this set is linearly dependent if and only at least one of the vectors in S is a linear combination of the orders. For example, if u1 bar is a linear combination of u2 bar and so on up to uk bar, then this set is linearly dependent set. Okay. Fifth, if a set S is equals to u1 bar, u2 bar and so on up to uk bar in Rn contains zero vector, then set is linearly dependent. Set is linearly dependent. Okay. Sixth number. If a set contains more vectors, than there are entries then there are entries in each vector, then the set is linearly dependent. Then the set is linearly dependent. Then the set is linearly dependent. Okay. Take one example on linearly independent vectors. Example: determine if the following vectors are linearly independent. Full stop. Justify your answer. Here U bar is equals to matrix 5 0 0, V bar is equals to matrix 7 2 minus 5, W bar is equals to, and W bar is equals to matrix 9 4 minus 8. Okay, we have to check this set of these three vectors are linearly independent or not. To see whether the given vectors are linearly independent, we need to determine if there is a non-trivial solution of x1 into u bar plus x2 into v bar plus x3 into w bar. Okay. To see whether the given vectors are linearly independent, we need to determine if there is a non-trivial solution. If there is a non-trivial solution, if there is a non-trivial solution of the equation x1 into u bar plus x2 into v bar plus x3 into w bar is equals to 0 bar. Okay. x1 into u bar is 5 0 0 plus x2 into v bar is 7 2 minus 5 plus x3 into 9 4 minus 8, which is equals to 0 bar. From this we get 5 7 9 0 2 4 0 minus 5 minus 8 into x1 x2 x3, which is equals to 0 bar. So write down augmented matrix for this system. Augmented matrix is, what is augmented matrix? It is 5 7 9 0 0 2 4 0 0 minus 5 minus 8 0. Okay. Here we require 1, so apply row operation. Sorry. Okay, no need to apply here row operation, keep as it is. Here we require 1, so apply row operation. 1 upon 2 into R2, so here is 5790, 0 1 2 0, 0 minus 5 minus 8, 0. Okay, next here we require 0, so apply row operation. R3 plus 5 R2, so we will get 5790, 0 1 2 0, 0, minus 5 plus 5 is 0, minus 8 plus 10 is 2, and here is 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay, so here from this matrix R3 implies 2x3 is equals to 0, that implies x3 is equals to 0. R2 implies x2 plus 2x2 is equals to x3 is equals to 0, that implies x2 is equals to 0. And R1 implies 5x1 plus 7x2 plus 9x3 is equals to 0, that implies here x2 x3 are 0, so obviously x1 must be 0. So this equation 1, therefore equation 1 has only trivial solution, that is all values of x1, x2 and x3 are 0, therefore vector u bar, w bar and here is v bar and w bar are linearly independent. I use here shortcut for linearly independent. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.